While it might look simple at first glance, there's a lot more to stucco than meets the eye. If you manage properties or own one with stucco, here are 10 things you probably didn't know that could save you headaches down the line. First, stucco comes in 3 common aggregate sizes: 1620, 2030, and a 3030 smooth finish. Each one gives a different finish, from rustic to smooth. Picking the right aggregate size is key for both looks and maintenance. Second, you'll sometimes hear stucco called plaster. While technically true, in construction we keep it simple. Drywall plaster stays inside, stucco stays outside. Third, stucco has a higher limestone content than concrete. That difference makes it lighter, easier to work with, and gives it unique performance characteristics. Fourth, stucco doesn't use rebar like concrete. Instead, it relies on wire mesh to hold the system together. Without it, cracks and failures are inevitable. Fifth, acrylic paint is ideal for stucco that isn't color-coded. It stretches slightly, bridging hairline cracks and protecting against water intrusion. Sixth, some stucco comes pre-colored in the mix. It costs more, but the color runs all the way through, so even chips stay consistent. Many modern builds use this option. Seventh, stucco needs to be applied to a damp surface. Moisture improves adhesion, prevents weak bonds, and helps the finish cure correctly. 8. Bonding matters. Stucco sticks through our mechanical bond. Diluted primers can enhance this, but full-strength primers can actually backfire. 9th, cutting stucco with a saw releases harmful silica dust. Chiseling is slower, but far safer. Some steps just aren't worth rushing. And 10th, curing time makes or breaks the finish. Stucco that dries too fast might look fine at first, but it'll chip and fail quickly. Proper curing separates a quick patch job from a repair that lasts decades. Stucco may seem simple, but it's a system with its own rules. For property managers and owners, knowing these details can prevent costly surprises. If you're in San Diego and need professional stucco installation or repair, reach out to All World Construction. We specialize in everything, and we make sure your stucco lasts. And there you have it. 10 things you didn't know about stucco.